Hi there, students. A Philippic. A Philippic. Okay, a Philippic is a tirade, a diatribe, a long, angry speech or a long, angry verbal attack about something. Telling somebody off, rebuking them, ranting about something. So I came home very late again, and my mum gave me a Philippic. So to give someone a Philippic, I received an hour-long Philippic. Yeah, I was told off thoroughly and totally. Okay, so a Philippic, a condemnation, a tirade, where somebody is very angry with you, but for a long time. This is particularly in a speech. So the politician stood up and he delivered a Philippic to the Parliament. The boss gave the sales team a Philippic as they had failed to meet their sales targets. I received a thunderous Philippic for not doing what I was supposed to do. The teacher gave me a Philippic for not doing my homework. Okay, so it's where you talk about somebody, you're very angry with them, you shout at them, you tell them how bad what they have done is. This Philippic is particularly in the context of a speech. Yeah, so I guess we have Philippics in the Parliament perhaps daily, where the opposition deliver Philippics about how badly the government has dealt with the situation. So it's a very harsh, critical speech, saying that somebody has done something wrong. It's full of bitter condemnation. It's strong criticism, yeah, but particularly a speech. And yeah, kids get when kids are punished by their parents. Normally, the kids tell their friends about this, an impassioned Philippic condemning the latest thing that somebody's parents have done wrong. Okay, so it's a very unfriendly, aggressive speech, a bitter discourse, full of invective, an angry speech publicly attacking somebody, a verbal denunciation using insulting and angry language, a bitter verbal attack. This is a Philippic, a bitter, intense speech about how bad or horrible or terrible someone is and how they need to do things differently. So at the moment, the West is delivering Philippics about how terrible Mr. Putin is, and Mr. Putin is delivering Philippics about how terrible the West is. Okay, so it's a bitter verbal attack denouncing something, being angry with something. Okay, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Using a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal or formal writing. Now, the origin is quite interesting. The origin actually comes from ancient Greece. So let's see. Do you know who the father of Alexander the Great was? Well, the father of Alexander the Great was Philip II of Macedonia, and he had um, designs or the idea to build an empire, and there was a an orator in Athens, Demosthenes, who was a very famous orator, and he used to deliver tirades, speeches against against Philip II, and these came to be known as Philippics because they were criticizing Philip II of Macedon, and that's where the word a Philippic comes from. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A Philippic.